South of Broad, a name that evokes elegance, quiet grandeur, and centuries of Southern heritage. As the day begins over Charleston, the neighborhood glows with a timeless warmth. Graceful mansions line the avenues, framed by flowing trees and wrought iron gates. Above them all, the steeple of the Cathedral of St. John the Baptist rises, a sentinel over the city's soul. In the distance, the Arthur Ravenel Jr. Bridge spans the water, linking the city's storied health to the rhythm of the modern day, its white cables reaching like sails towards the sky. Charleston is a city of steeples, from the stately tower of St. Philip's to the white spire of St. Michael's. Each one tells a story of faith, resilience, and enduring grace. At the tip of the peninsula, White Point Garden lies beneath a canopy of live oaks. Here, history lives in stillness, beneath draping Spanish moss and century-old cannons aimed at memory. Turning west, the camera follows the curve of the seawall along Murray Boulevard, where water laps gently and time drifts with the tide. Here, Charleston feels eternal. The soft light, the salt air, the sound of the harbor, they belong as much to today as they did 100 years ago. This is South of Broad, a quiet corner of Charleston, where every street is a story and every view a promise to return. Thanks for joining me on this short little journey.